Today topic is magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, or this topic can also be written as let every atom electrons are revolved around the nucleus. A revolving electron is like the loop of current which has a definite magnetic moment. When the electron revolves in anti-clockwise direction, the current is clockwise direction. Therefore, the upper face of the electron loop acts as the south pole and the lower face of the electron loop acts as the north pole. Hence, the atom behaves as the magnetic dipole. And then how we can derive the expression for it? Let an electron revolve around this circular path. V is its velocity, E electron, and R the radius of the path. This is nucleus. Then if minus E is the charge on an electron revolving in an orbit of radius r with uniform angular velocity omega, then the equivalent current I is equal to Q upon T or minus E upon T, where T is the time period of evolution of electron and T is equal to 2 pi upon omega region. Omega is equal to 2 pi upon T. Then I is equal to minus E upon T is equal to 2 pi upon omega or minus omega E upon 2 pi. This is current. Then area of the orbit is equal to pi r square. Clear? Then we know that magnetic moment I A from equation 1 and 2, I is equal to minus omega E 2 pi and pi r square, or this can be written as m is equal to minus half E omega square r. This is magnetic dipole moment of the electron or the atom, and this expression can also be written as if orbital angular momentum of electron is given by L is equal to R cross P, and magnitude of L is equal to mvr, or m v is equal to r omega into r, or m omega r square. This is magnitude of L. Then equation, this equation, suppose this is A. This equation can be written as m is equal to minus 1 upon 2m em omega r square, means multiplied and divided by m. Then minus 1 upon 2m E into L. This value m omega square r square, this value is equal to L. Then this expression, or m is equal to minus E upon 2m into L, or in vector form it can be written as m is equal to minus E upon 2m L. Means the direction of m is always in opposite direction of L. This is angular momentum. Clear?